What's good, gang? How's everybody doing? Morning. Let's your comment, say what's up in the chat. Vedant, long time no see. Vedant, welcome. How's that Lambo Dreams going? Ashish, that's good. Ready for your exams coming up, Ashish? Vedant is back home. Welcome back to India, Vedant. Welcome back home. Welcome. So today is actually going to be a pretty interesting day. and that's what I personally think. Alright, let's see. GJ has been struggling to close, so let's use this 30-minute time frame level. Let's say 980. Alright, so that's the level we're waiting for GJ to close above. So yeah, so what is happening now is we are coming into this what do you say, higher time frame, consolidations almost. So yeah, which one is moving better? I think we will find out. We're about to find out, GJ or UJ. We'll find out in a second. Just give me a second. Let's just break down these charts and then we go for it. Alright, so here we have a key level at 162.100. so coming down to the 4 hour looks like it should continue up to the top of this range, but it's been struggling to. So on the lower time frame, on the 2 hour, we also broke this resistance, but we've been struggling to continue. So what we need to see is a closure above 950 on the 2 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame also that works. So how much time do we have? We have around an hour. Yep, gold is moving sideways. I'm waiting for a 1 hour closure on gold below this level, 1916,500, right over here. So 1924 was respected well. It would been nice to get an entry at 1924. It's already 45 pips down now. Alright, so GJ now coming down. We're breaking the 1 hour low. So we're about to see a few things change right now on GJ. Alright, that is fine. Fora support still, yes. monthly low and flip. So now it's just good morning, Christy. Pardon? It's not yet afternoon, it'll be afternoon in half an hour. How's it going? Yeah, and price has been moving weird also, right? The last 2 days. Yeah. You mean beginning of the second quarter? Yeah. And yeah. Oh, beautiful. Where did you take your trade? The buy? Yeah, yeah. Oh, nice. That's a good buy. Yeah. With because of the big rejection from the downside, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Good stuff, Christy. Keep it up. Christy is slaying. Well, whatever you're trying, it's working. True Forex funds? Yeah, true Forex funds, they're definitely really good. Yeah. That's the only reason I believe that they're legit. Yeah. Yeah. I think they hit the jackpot when they said they're using IC markets. Because like IC markets is like the biggest name in the game, you know, in unregulated brokers. So you can't help but believe what they're saying. Yeah. And I'm seeing a lot of payouts and stuff like that, so it's really good. Oh, so their charges are a little more expensive. Let me just check it out. Let me just check. Vedant, yeah, my bad. Let me just share my screen on Discord. Alright, so their pricing is a little different. Yeah, so it's 189 euros. So for like a 10k, sorry, for a 10k account, it's 89 euros. Yeah, so it's around $10 more than, yeah, $20 more than MFF. So yeah, but I mean, if you're getting IC markets accounts with low spreads, and you know, IC market liquidity providers are just amazing. Yeah, so at that point, you really don't have to worry about anything. So we'll have to see how price reacts on EJ. We have rejected this level pretty strong. Nice, good rejections. But we're now coming to the next rejection area, which will be this 4-hour support right over here. But yeah, Christy, I definitely think that my next challenge is gonna be on true Forex funds. I really wanna see their entire structure. Pardon? Yeah, it's the same as MFF. But MFF has a 12% drawdown rule, right? They have only a 10% drawdown rule. Yeah. Yeah. Why not? So from a trading point of view, one second. Compared to MFF, compared to FTMO, TFF is much better. That's true. True Forex funds does seem a lot better. Okay, but I think FTMO is like something I would want to permanently set myself up with. So on FTMO, I'd like to have like a proper 400k account, and that'll be like a permanent account. Like FTMO is like hands down. We all agree that FTMO is the best prop firm in the game. Yeah, they've been there since ages. They're like, I think they are the biggest Forex prop firm, if I'm not mistaken. And so I think FTMO is the long-term game plan. I've only tried the free trial challenges on FTMO. Yeah. Yeah. I think also like K1 Beat says in the chat, one thing that kills FTMO is the news rule. So you're not allowed to trade during news hours. Yeah, but for me that's not a problem because I don't trade the news anyway.
Okay. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Hi Sam, good morning lads. What's up, Rez Mopani? Welcome. Alright. EJ is looking a lot cleaner once we break below like maybe this 4-hour level or something, but right now EJ looks like we need to go down. So maybe once we break this level down here, we could have a small runoff to the bottom of this range, but that's only 15 pips. So we'll have to see during the open time. GJ continuing down. Yep, GJ is in a supply area right over here, right? A previous supply area. So we should be careful of it until we start breaking up. So yeah, be careful of GJ right now. My bias is definitely bias on GJ since we're really strong, but right now, as you can see, we're coming back down. Right on the 4-hour, we're rejecting, we're creating a resistance on the 4-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, we've already created a resistance at 950. So you want to watch this play out now. Gold, I'm still waiting for the break of these lows at 1916. Get a nice 1-hour closure at London Open below 1916.500 and wait for it to go down. What's up, K1? How's it going? What's poppin'? How's NAS 100 and US 30 treating you? One second. They keep me happy. I don't trade US 30, but I've been backtesting US 30. K1 is the king at US 30. Let's look at US 30. Let's see what's popping. What's the time right now? 11:50. Okay, so we still have some time before London Open, so can take a look at it. Yesterday I saw something very interesting. NAS 100 and all just fell. Like, look at that. I was just like, wow. How much could you have made in this one move, honestly? Wait, let's see on Control U. Did the same thing happen on US 30? Yeah, relatively the same. But US 30 seems to be way more volatile than NAS 100, eh? Okay, 1 second, let me just see. Custom cryptos. NAS 100 US 30. Control U. Let's check NAS out. So firstly, NAS, I probably have to go to the 1 minute time frame, right? Higher time frame. Wow. Okay, NAS 100 seems interesting now. Now I'm interested. Damn. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, K1. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. That is crazy. Yo, yeah, that's Magic Key sound. I was just checking NAS 100. Like, look at this. For this risk, okay, that is just crazy. Like, okay, let's say we put our stops below here and we expect price to move, or even over here. This entire move is way more than enough. That's all you need. You just need one move. Intense. That is amazing. NAS 100, eh? Alright. I guess I'm gonna be looking at NAS 100 quite a bit now. Literally, even if you took it from here, man, that is a banger. Not even gonna lie, that's a massive banger. These guys are eating off NAS 100 like crazy. What's up, Samita? Welcome to the stream. Gold, we're waiting for it to first fall below 1916 so we can take a sell. GJ trying to respect. How much time is left? Okay, another 36 minutes left for London Open. What's up, guys? Okay, tell me, Bami, gold might fall below 1906. Yep. Okay, tell me, what are you guys looking at this morning? What are we looking at this morning? There's no point in marking this, right? In GJ, beautiful. Yeah, we were talking about those buys, right? But yeah, GJ did it well in the morning. We were all on the Discord server, morning Discord live, yeah. We were there, we spoke about those buys and those buys worked out on GJ, which is fantastic. Good stuff, man. Learn to earn. Keep it up. Give me a second, guys. All right. Alright, let's see what's popping. Every day you do Discord live. Yep, every day I'm on the Discord server for all 3 sessions. This is the level at which we could have taken a sell at 1924. The failure to close above 1924. We could have taken a small sell, stops above the previous candle highs, 40 pips down, because you can see the level that we've been struggling to break above. So the validation of these sells is this break of structure. You see that? So we broke below this to create lower lows, right? So the next thing is to create a lower high to continue down, right? And that's what we did. We went there and we rejected it straight up. So I think that's very important to understand how to read market structure. And gold on the higher time frame, let's look at it on the 4-hour. Yeah, on the 4-hour, when you look at it in 2 hour 30 minutes, if we close below this level, we could expect a top wick, right? So if we close like, let's say, nice and bearish right there, right, we will have to make a top wick, so we can expect to come up to 1917 at least, and then start driving down to hit these lows, right? Don't expect just because gold closed right there that we're just going to continue down. Expect a nice, like, I don't even know how many pips that is, let's say, yeah, 20 to 30 pip pullback all the way to 1918 or so is possible. You can pull back to 1918 and then continue down, right? 25 to 30 pip pullback. So that's what happened yesterday. I wanted to get into those gold buys, but I missed it because I left to go out. And so right over here it was, where's this one? Here. This was the 4-hour closure. Can you see the pullback and the continuation? So your goal was to get in at 1933. The goal was to get into 1933 and ride it up 100 pips easy. Alright, so gold has closed below this 30-minute level. Do any of you all consider this a sell already? Below 1919? I think it was a sell from up here, but over here we really don't have a position. So do any of you all consider this a sell already? Would be the question. What do you all think about what's happening? Let's go. So yeah, let's wait for this. Let's see, gold's gonna make a top wick and then we can start seeing what gold's about to decide. 4-hour time frame is slowly coming down. We know that gold has a 4-hour support right in this region. So we're just waiting for this break and continuation down. Yeah. Yeah, we need to close below this level, and then we can kind of take sells back down to this daily the daily open. Unless this 1 hour flips and close above this level, we don't have anything. And so if the 1 hour flips and close above, we can go up to 244 easy. 30 pip range. What are we looking for in GJ today? Today, as of now, we're waiting to see GJ either close below this level or above this level. So that is below 161770 or 161950. And yeah, I'll have to properly backtest NAS 100, but NAS 100 looks really good. I didn't even know how good NAS 100 was until this K1 and NFX and stuff told me about it. Alright, gold slowly trying to calm down. Let's see if we can work on it. Guys, what are you all looking for on GJ and gold? Or EJ? What are you all looking for? What's the plan? FOMC meeting minutes tonight. We have Euro PMI. None of these are medium volatility or even high volatility. These are just low volatility news that's coming out today. Alright, yeah. Not much happening today. So let's see what the currency strength indicator shows. This doesn't give us any confirmations or whatever, guys. So GJ looks like the most probable, with GBP really strong. So yeah, let's see. EJ looking for sells if it does not break 135 100 area. 135 100. Alright, fair enough. So yeah, we could consider that a supply zone, right, and sell it off that level. But I feel like, you know, we should have gone to sells over here at 135 flat itself when we were struggling to close above. So yeah, that'd be a 2-hour closure too. We'd have to expect volume to come in. So that's what we'd have to look for. Volume. Gold 30-minute coming back up. You can see this uncertainty on gold. We need it to close below this level. There's no escaping that. Let's see if this will work. 1917 flat. $16,500. We're just refining levels, trying to see which one will work and which one won't. Yeah, this one works really well. So there you go. I want to see this level break. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hourly time frame struggling to break below this level. Euro JPY struggling, GJ also struggling. GJ I feel might just go up depending on how we look at it. What can we anticipate from GJ? Hours. Once the 2-hour candle closes, we could expect the break of this previous 2-hour high to continue, stops the break even at the candle wick, and to continue up here. So that's what we could potentially do. GJ volume at London open. What do you all think? Because you know how that GJ volume comes in, right? So we'll have to look at GJ at that point of time. So yeah, 160 to 200. Alright, GJ price above 160 to 200. Oh, what's the reason though? We got these clean candles to the left right over here. I want GJ to flip and close above this level. Let's get some GJ buys in. Come on GJ, let's flip. Let's flip and get some buys in GJ. If gold closes above 1925 also, who would be looking for buys if gold closes above 1925? who would be looking for gold buys if we close above 1925? Alright, I just copied the chart image. Alright, let's slowly start using our Telegram more. Alright. Exactly. That's why I was saying if we break 162 flat, we should be able to break above, because that will be the 2-hour high, and that should continue to wick fill, right? Continue to wick fill, and that should beat it out of that. That is right. You know, the other day we did a breakdown on EJ in the pre-market session, right? Let's just look at this here. Alright, just look at this. Okay, you see Euro JPY, right? You see Euro JPY exactly like that, right? What happened? Which level was this? 135 to 20, right? 135 to 20. So which time frame was I on this? 30-minute time frame. So what did I draw? So from the 220 level, break, retest, and continuation. Guess what happened? Break, we broke, we came back up, and we continued back down. Can you see that? Plain and simple. Marked when? On Sunday, even before the markets opened. This is pre-market analysis. So whoever concentrates on the pre-market analysis and the things we do, you should be winning. There should be no reason as to why you'd be losing. Alright, 12 minutes to market open, to London open. EJ right now is in a tough position. It's trying to decide what it wants to do and where it wants to go. Are there any other pairs? Come on guys, put it down in the chat if there are any other pairs you want me to look at. Are there any other pairs that we aren't looking at that we should look at? Mhm. Yo, I called these buys also on GJ once we close above this level. We really struggled to close above, but we moved up. Literally called this out. Okay. Buys above which level? This is the clearest it gets. 161070 to 161100. There you go, right over here. Look at that. Closure above and move. Plain and simple. All called out in the pre-market analysis. Sumita, I haven't traded that account right now. We're still waiting for the free reset because we only have a few days left and I don't want to go back into negative if we take a losing trade. So we're just waiting for the free reset and then I'll continue. Alright, what are we talking about over here? Alright. So the 2 hour closes in the next 2 hour once we break this lower wick. Should continue down. But we need this 1 hour at least to close down here. .5%. Yeah, don't give that 0.5% back, yo. Just relax and don't give it back. I'm still waiting for gold cells. Yep, all of us are kind of waiting on those gold cells, right? We're waiting to target this range right over here. And so for that we need a potential, so you can see potential cells below 1916 500. Oops. There you go. That's what we're waiting for. Come on guys, drop a like if you're on the stream. If you're looking at the same thing, drop a like if you like what you see. And yeah, gold cells coming in. We're hoping to get the drop below this level and then drop further. And so when we look at Euro JPY, we've retraced and we look like we're rejecting a level in this range, maybe 900 level, right? So there's a 900 level in here that we're rejecting, but let's see how the volume comes in now. Is there a let's see this 750 level. All right. So with this big rejection, if the next 2 hour were to break the current 2 hour high, I would be expecting GJ buys up. Let's see what happens now. Five minutes left to market open. These are my magic key settings if anyone wants it. I have it in the Discord server too. So if y'all want my magic key settings, y'all can just go to the Discord server. And it's right here under funding and tools. I have one setting for currencies and one setting for gold. Welcome to the channel. Gold may be coming in, GJ may be coming in. Is GJ reeling it in as yet? Not yet. Gold. Let's see. So the Discord server link is in the description. If you want the Telegram link, that is also in the description. And if you want to message me, feel free to message me on Instagram. If you want to talk trading or whatever, psychology. So yeah, EJ has flipped bullish. Let's see how EJ closes. EJ also looks like potential buys once we break this high. Continuation buys up. So yeah, let's see. Gold is struggling. GJ is also struggling if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. At one point GJ almost flipped, so yeah. Which one would give us the smaller stop is the question. This is still around 10 pips almost. Gold. Gold, if we take gold, it is below 1960 and 500 with the candle closure, and we will take it on the flip. That's how we will take gold. We will only take it on candle closure and the flip. Come on, what is poppin'? What's up, Change? What's good?
Yo, how's it going?
So far so good, just chilling, waiting. There's another 5 minutes left for London Open. One second. Vineet Durai. I am in buys. This is my trade on gold 15-minute market open. Alright, let's take a look at it. Okay, 1 second. Open a new tab. Let me just bring that here. Whoa. Alright. I have no clue what these triangles are, but I get what you mean. It can easily fake us out. That is true, Padmavati. That is true. Alright, let's just take a look at this. So he's looking at gold buys up to this level. So your entry is around 1980, 1919, 275. So this is a strong demand zone for gold, not gonna lie. This is a strong demand zone, so it definitely looks plausible by your strategy, Vineet. So that definitely looks like a good trade where your plan is concerned. You are in a really strong demand zone. You know, this has been a zone since a very long time. So you're in a strong demand zone. It's just for me that since I'm a breakout trader, right, I like following price action and catching it on the breakout. That just doesn't fit my criteria, you know, to buy it. For me, the buys are sitting above 1925 flat. That's what I personally think. It's just that gold is a little bearish right now, so there's a potential for either. Gotta wait for 4-hour closure. Yep, gold 4-hour closure is very crucial, but I don't mind taking it on a 2-hour closure, but this 2-hour really has to close below this level, which it doesn't look like it is going to. Okay, so this is the new candle, if I'm not mistaken. We are in London Open. Let's see if we can see some volume. Can we see some volume? Gotta wait for him. Hello, can you hear me? Is there sound? Can you hear me? Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, this 2-hour looks like it's coming up. I feel like London volume, once we break the previous 2-hour high, should continue pushing it up, because that would be the 3-hour high also. We got this big rejection. and let's see. That'll be the 4-hour breaking its own highs. So let's see what the risk would be like. The risk of getting faked out also is there. So yeah, we'll have to see if London has a volume, or if we start breaking the lows, can we continue, would be the question. What are you looking for change?
At first I thought sell below about 700, 750-ish, but yeah, looking at the market structure, the trend,
Yeah.
possibly, yeah, it's probably a buy. So now I might look for close above, I mean the current to close above 920-ish,
Yeah.
and see how it reacts to its previous highs
Alright. Yeah.
and take based on that.
But I mean, the sells aren't too bad of an idea, to be honest. Because we've been pushing up so strong, right?
Yeah.
So it's about time we can start selling off also. Gold. Are we doing anything on gold? Can we start moving? We need a closure at least. Let's see. It looks pretty decent. $35-minute broken the previous two. Really no sound? Dude, change. Can you just check YouTube if there's any sound on YouTube?
Yeah.
Gold, watch out, don't jump into cells. Yup, be careful on gold.
There's sound, yo.
There's sound, right?
Yeah.
Sorted. So let's see how GJ reacts to this 2-hour level at 162. So you want to wait for a closure. A nice 30-minute closure would be good, or a 15-minute closure above 162. Now I think 30-minute closure above 162 looks better.
Yeah.
So now let's just transfer this zone here. 162 about to 970 we can say. A nice 30-minute closure above this level, we should be able to fill in this range and continue. So until then we can remove this 900 level and keep it real clean. I like it. Tobago, take a look on US 30. Alright. US 30, what are we looking at on US 30? I'm not sure what to look at US 30 because I don't normally trade US 30, but yeah. EJ, GJ. For me, I'm intrigued by GJ, but it's just that the market structure isn't giving me confidence. It's just not what I'd normally take on GJ. Because like you got this 30-minute fake out. If this was just a 30-minute level, then I would have taken the break of the highs. But here you got this 30-minute fake out altogether. So how do you deal with that? So yeah, let's see what GJ does. It's broken the previous 4-hour highs. It's broken its current 4-hour highs. Alright, now we're slowly seeing volume come into the market. What could we possibly see? Should I hold a buy stop or not? I was gonna hold a buy stop. I was just checking where I can hold a buy stop. But it doesn't look too appalling. Yeah, it's not very appealing to me. Because you see this 30-minute fake out. This is what I don't want to get into unless we close above this level, which we failed to close above it twice. So unless that holds, I'm not getting into GJ. So if that level holds, I definitely will be more interested in GJ. Thanks for saying hi on the stream this morning. 1 second. Gold. Yeah, let's wait for gold closure below. Anytime you want to be a guest on the stream, let me know. You will be most welcome. Cheers and good trading today. Yo, thank you. Thank you, live trading at DYG Global. No problem, man. I saw you live at the Asian session and I was like, damn. Alright. Analyze AJ. Better price action than GJ. Add it to your wish list. Alright. I will consider it. I'll look over AJ and then I'll let you know. Let's see. GJ 5-minute rejection from this level. Euro JPY is still trying something. Alright. No, we still have to wait for a 30-minute closure at least below this level. 30. Yeah, 45-minute also should be good. It's just not looking convincing, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe if gold makes a top wick and then starts breaking down. But it needs to make a nice top wick. You can have a sell as soon as it starts breaking its own 15-minute candle low at 1916 flat. So from here to here stops the BE, so you can have your sell stop right here 1916. GJ, sorry, what was GJ? No volume push today. Yup, no volume push today. So that's why you see why I told you we need to see a 30-minute closure, not because of no volume or anything. It's just, look, this is a fake out, right? If this was the only two resistances over here, then we could have expected a continuation and a push. So that's not a problem. Let's see, can GJ close above this level would be the question. Once GJ closes above this this zone, then we can expect, you know, something like a volume push. Gold. Alright. Gold, let it push up, no problem. That's around 22 pips stops on gold. So you wanna wait and see. Oh, look at that rejection. Now there's 100% nothing here until we close down here. 100% nothing until we close in this range. Alright, I think FX knowledge base sent us a chart. Let me take a look at it. FX knowledge. Mm-mm. All right, let's look at it. GBP JPY. He's looking for it to come down from 162 flat. Right? Are you already in this trade, FX knowledge? The sell back down to around 161,500. So that's around 50 pip sells on GJ. Are you already in that trade? If you're already in that trade, alright. So then you're expecting price to continue. So don't, yeah, I guess you got a good decent stop over there. So that's around to previous 15 minutes. So you got a nice 12 pip stops, no problem. See gold making second double bottom on the 5-minute. Alright, you're talking about this. Yep, that looks intriguing. Let's see how this closes. I want to see how this candle closes. Will this 30-minute candle close below this level or not? If the 30-minute candle closes bullish on gold, I'm in, Sam. Okay, so you're gonna look at buys if it closes bullish. I think yes, we can look for buys on gold if it closes bullish. With that massive rejection and a bullish candle with 5-minute bullish market structure, that would be very nice to take to the top of the range again. GJ with rejection. So now we can slowly start expecting GJ to come down. So we can anticipate sells once the 15-minute closes below this level. Right? Expect for a closure and then continuation back down. Come on guys, what else are you looking for? Firstly, there are 32 of y'all. Can y'all spam the like button? Come on. Spam the like button, and if you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe. AUD JPY. Okay, my bad, I didn't see your PUBG game. I didn't see you in the chat. We can look at AUD JPY. JPY. Hourly time frame, we haven't had a closure yet above this level. 30-minute also we haven't had a closure, so we need to close above this level before we can do anything. Yeah, so we need to have a closure either below this level on AJ. So those are our safe sells, and right over here is your risky sells on AJ. Euro JPY going up. Euro JPY has broken the previous 2-hour high. Trying to continue up. Let's see if GJ is gonna flip now. If the volume comes in now and it flips GBP JPY and starts breaking the highs, that will be very interesting. We need to see gold also do something. I wanted to close below 1916,500. That should give us clean sells down. Have a nice stop, give us clean sells. But if we start rejecting this level again, I think we're gonna buy it up. Can you see? This is a supply zone on gold. This is a strong supply zone on gold. So if we close up like that, then I think buys will be inevitable. Alright. Alright, come on guys. What are the other pairs we're looking at? Or are there any other trades that we could possibly take? Are there any other trades we can take? Let's say what's up on some of the other streams out there. Alright. So yeah, we are waiting for GJ at least to come down and close below 750, which should then start breaking the current 4-hour low and should then start breaking the previous 3-hour low, 2-hour lows. Yeah, and that should be the first set of bearish market structure and a bearish breakout, right? So after this we should have this, right? You'll see high, lower high, low, lower low, lower high. Plain market structure. We're just following market structure and price action. That's it. Do you think GBP JPY will go up? I think JPY will go up only if we start closing above 162. As long as we respect 162 the way we are respecting it, then it's not gonna go up. Same thing with EJ. Until we start closing 1-hour, 2-hour candles, close them above this level, we're not going anywhere. Alright, gold coming down. Alright guys, get ready. So now what could we look at? Could we look at a volume push of some sort? 45 minute, if it can close down here, would be solid. Wake up and slam it back down. Gold right now is in a very confusing state, or a confused state as we can call it. So just wait on gold. AU looks good. Let's take a look at AU. Okay, gold, let's put this, yeah. AUD, USD. AU buys above this level right over here, 960, because you have clean traffic towards the left, right? So may as well wait for those clean moves. And here, sells below here. So you all may ask, why do I look at 2-hour time frames, 45-minute time frames, etc., right? I like to look at where price is the cleanest at that certain point. So when I find price action to be the cleanest at a certain point, I want to take it on that time frame, right? So let's hope this 30-minute can either come up and close, or we may just continue rejecting and going back down. Alright, gold, come on, give us something. How many of y'all are looking at gold right now? How many of y'all are looking at gold right now? We have 1.5 minutes left. How many of us are looking at it? There's 41 of us in the house. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. What's popping off? 43 of us. Come on guys, can we run those likes up? Let's run those likes up, a 1-to-1. Alright, 15-minute time frame coming back down. 2-hour time frame is the hourly time frame is still rejecting. So yeah, on gold, I guess we just gotta sit tight. Don't overtrade, don't over risk, don't get tensed whether you're gonna miss out or not. Right? $15 seconds left. Massive rejection wick on gold. So what we need to see is that is a 30 pip rejection on gold. I don't think that's something that's very comfortable to be taken, but yeah. How do we look? Have we broken the previous 4-hour? Yes, we have. Let's wait for this 4-hour candle to close below this level, which will also be a 2-hour candle close confirmation. So that should definitely give us a confidence booster in this trade. We just need to sit on our hands and wait. Same thing with GJ. Wait for this next hourly candle to push up and close above this level. Otherwise you're just gonna get faked out. No one wants to get faked out, right? No weak Wednesdays over here. So let's just wait. AUD USD pushing up decently. I don't see a trade until we break above this level on the hourly time frame. Yeah, AUD USD, I only see that. Guys, if y'all want me to look at any other pairs, just put it down in the comments. Put it down in the comments and then we can look at it. Alright, GJ slowly coming down. Could we get some volume to push us down? Gold pushing up. Praise, are you in buys? Anyone in buys on gold? It's interesting. Euro JPY, same thing, we had a spike through. It didn't seem like we had any form of volume. GJ coming down strong. We could get a nice little push down. Let's open magic keys. Where you at? Let's see, GJ broke the 3-hour low. Can we continue pushing to the bottom of the range? Alright, GJ. GJ volume push coming in. So if we break this low, can we continue? Yes, I think we definitely can. So the break of the 3-hour low and the push to the bottom of the range. So can we expect this 15-minute to close and give us an entry? Or do you think the 15-minute will reject? Can we get this 15-minute to close and wait for us? So the 5-minute came down and closed. We look like we're rejecting. Let's see if we can get the 15-minute candle to close. So what's your potential area for GJ sells? Closure below this level. 15-minute closure below 750. And that also, Padmavati, I'm gonna be waiting and watching. I'm not just gonna jump into those sells just yet. Because are we getting volume or not, you know? Do we get to drive down cleanly? If we get those 15-minute sells, then we will discuss it when it happens. If we get the 15-minute sells. Gold pushing up. Because see, what you want to do is either you want to try and fill this range right over here, or you want to take the trade below this range, a breakout, a proper breakout, you know. So which side of it do you want to be on? That's up to you. Which side of the trade you want to be on, whether you want to have it this range 1 breakout or range 2 breakout. I wanted to close somewhere nice over here. Like GJ during London Open, if it's not pushing then it really isn't either. It will range or give us a trade during New York session. Very true. That is GJ for you in a little nutshell. Because GJ is just like a very... At least during this season, GJ is not moving the way it normally does. Otherwise, previously GJ used to move so well. So can we get a closure? Come on, give us a closure. Can we get a nice little closure below 750? EJ is also showing signs of rejection, so that could be a problem. AUD USD rejecting violently. NAS 100 breaking lows, 5-minute time frame. Let's look at NAS 100. Ooh, dang. NAS 100 with the next. Alright, so NAS 100 with the break and continuation. Look at this. Damn. Guys, I'm gonna slowly start trading more NAS 100. Okay, I'm gonna do a back testing session on NAS 100. Let's see what's popping. Okay. Come on guys, if you aren't subscribed already, please do subscribe. And if you all like what you all see, please do like the stream. Let's run this stream up. This is a very, like, I just need to backtest NAS 100 a whole lot more. But if this is how it's gonna be, man, I will move from GJ and gold to NAS 100 alone. So guys, when you'll see there was no volume push at the open, you need to wait for candle closures, okay? GJ buy fake out. Yeah, GJ buy, but there's no buy, Padmavati. We didn't close above any level over here. Like GJ during London Open, if it's not pushing, then it isn't really. Yeah, it most likely will range if we don't close. That's what's a little frustrating about the markets these days. It's ranging a lot and it's given us all a BT. $19.19 is the level we should be rejecting right now. Alright, there you go. You see this level which GJ is rejecting. Sorry, which gold is rejecting. Gold, my bad. How many of y'all think I should focus up on NAS 100 and US 30? Put it down in the chat. If that's the case, then I'll start backtesting NAS 100 real strong. Oh, that's what you meant. Okay, you meant GJ fake out buys, so when it closes back in the range buys. Yo, my bad, I didn't understand. Yeah, gold most likely is looking like it's gonna go up. What we can do is wait for this 1 hour closure, right, to be completely confident in this move. Yeah, as soon as we get that 1 hour closure, that'll show us the rejection plus a 1 hour candle closing back in the range, so we could potentially expect the 3 hour candle to flip and push this all the way back up to slowly fill in the ranges. Alright, gold is pushing. Can we get a close above 1925? 1925 is the level which I'm looking at it. Damn. GU, LF says GU. Let me take a look at GU. USD. Yo, JVP USD is dead as usual. I've been telling you all for a long time. Look at the price action on GBP USD. It's absolute trash, and you do not want to be stuck in a market like GBP USD. Anyone who's saying GBP USD, I don't know how profitable they actually are, honestly. I'm not saying that about ULF. I'm just saying, like, in general, because GBP USD's price action is just terrible. I'm not even gonna lie. Man, NASA 100 is so good, yo. The movements are so good. I'm gonna start trading NASA 100, lads. That's it. It's been decided. I'm gonna trade NASA 100. Yeah. And guys, if anyone wants to join our monthly subscription, right? We have the Bangers Only Squad, which is live trades called in Asian, London, and New York. Access to the community chat. That's a Discord paid members channel. We have access to live webinars and mentorship. That's what we do, like back testing and stuff like that. So you have one-on-ones. So as soon as you sign up, you can schedule one-on-ones with me, and we can talk all things strategy wise. And we have our weekly backtesting session and our pre-market breakdowns the same way we did last week. Samita, you're in gold buys. That is insane, gold buys. Where did you take the gold buys from though? Mm-mm. Bum 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 bum. Alright, give me a second. Whoever's on the stream, welcome, welcome. Let's see what's popping off. Gold, are we moving up? Can we flip this daily candle on gold bullish actually and start pushing up? So we're stuck in this 1 hour consolidation on gold, which I think we should be careful of. How and when do you get your demo account? How does it work? So Mark, when you sign up with my Forex funds and you pay the initial fee and everything, and you automatically get an email with your account details and stuff of the demo account. So you can just you can download the MT4 or MT5, whichever one you choose, right? And you can just log into that account and start trading it. That's it. It's plain and simple. Just sign up, pay for your account, and they send you everything by email. It's pretty simple and easy like that. How many of y'all would be interested in gold buys at 1925? How many of y'all think that's gonna work out? Gold buys at 1925. No problem, Mark. Don't mention it. Let's go. Alright, gold breaks. You're in. Shaheen, let's go, boy. You should have buy gold because it will go up. Yep, we're waiting for gold to kind of break above there and then we can get in. Alright, let's see. I do waiting. Alright, yeah, all of us are waiting for this 1925 key level on gold to be broken. It's killing me. It's taken forever. GJ, can GJ go and close above? Let's see, guys. Alright. GJ looks like we're gonna flip bullish right now. Padmavati with those fake out buys look pretty good. Let's close above 162 flat. EJ also coming up. Let's get a nice 1 hour closure above. Come on, gold, let's go. 6 minutes left. No time to waste. So let's take a look. Can we have GJ break above 162 flat? And our confluence would be Euro JPY closing above 135 flat. Can we get that? And gold if we go above 1925. Gold is rejecting the daily open. Slow again, typical Q1 to Q2 transition period. Very true live trading. It is pretty slow, not even gonna lie. Yesterday we had a decent volume move on GJ. Today there is zero volume for GJ. So let's see what happens. Can we get that 1 hour? Right, let's just put this up here. There you go. Heavy raining, bro, in my area. Oh man. But rain's always a good thing. I love it when it rains. But I prefer a good sunny weather to go out. If I'm
Are you
in.
serious? It's raining.
No, not here. Samita Surya. So that's in. That's in Sri Lanka. Yeah. Yeah. It's raining in Sri Lanka, lads. Yeah, don't trade in this range, guys. Here very hot, learn to earn. Yes. Wait, let's check. Okay, temperature in Bangalore, Karnataka is 33 degrees. In Andhra, it's also 33 degrees, so we're pretty much in the same condition, learn to earn. Same condition. Are you in Bangalore? Yes, I'm in Bangalore, Kishore Kumar. So you can see that this candle on GJ was a volume candle. It broke the highs and broke the lows. Volume. Ta-da! You're in Chennai. Alright, that's relatively close, man, Kishore. That's awesome. That is awesome. Metro cities, that is correct. Change. Sri Lanka, very high inflation, government completely failed. That's what I've heard. Tobago, I am. What do you mean, Tobago? Mr. Trooper, I am from Kerala. Oh man, cool. We got an Indian squad out here. Let's go. My gold buys, he closed full at 1920.82. Alright, that's fantastic. Good stuff, man, Samita. Keep it up. Mr. Trooper, I'm from Kerala, yeah. So, change.
Yeah.
Interesting question. Okay. You see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Alright. How do you pronounce this word?
So with the space, it's Metro City, and without the space, it's Metrocity.
Not bad, interesting. But is it Metrocity? Metrocity. Politician. You know, Sumita, I think one thing we will all find in common, no matter where you are, that politicians are the most corrupt little, let's just say corrupt people out there. Yeah? They take your money, they have a ball, and you don't get anything at the end of it. So I think I do agree with all of y'all. You pay your tax, no matter what you do, they will find a way to take away the majority from you. It's a big mess. The entire system is flawed. But yeah, bro, they stolen our money. Yeah, I think every government really steals our money. At least, like, I don't know how it was in the past. Like, people were actually happy in the past. Over here, no one's happy. Right? I don't see anyone happy with any government out there. GJ and gold, every candle form wicks. Indices move without wicks. What's your opinion? I think they have wicks, learn to earn. They have really tiny wicks. But that is a banger trade. Wait, let's check NAS 100. Where's NAS 100? Okay. How much? Okay, how much do we risk? Okay, let's just say this is the risk. How much ever? Some 16 pips or something. Oh my, change. Oh, I'm gonna start trading NAS 100. I don't care. NAS 100 is amazing. Pardon?
But the rest is pretty appealing.
Yeah, dude, this is $700 on a one lot. Like, I'm talking about GJ one lot. In MFF, that'll be 10 lots basically. Yeah, this is around $3,000 on a one lot with like $160 top. That's it. Like, seriously, what are we talking about? NAS 100 is definitely the way to go, lads. Alright, GBP JPY, we're going up, but can we close up? Gold also, we're trying to go up. We need a 30-minute closure at least. Hedge, but okay, compare to GJ and gold. Yeah, learn to earn like significantly smaller candle wicks on NAS 100 hedge, but you will find that it's difficult to get into NAS trades. Not enough pullbacks. Yeah, so hedge, I think it would be on NAS 100, what I'm noticing is you gotta look at the higher time frame structures, right? In the key supply zones. Like, what is the key supply zone? We need to see. Look at the supply. This massive fake out is supply. So once we broke out of, I'd say, just this region, right? It was clear that we were gonna go back into sells, is what I would personally think. And same thing here. Once we broke out of this region and retested it, it's clear. NAS 100 moves really nicely. And see, like, what you can see is you have some of these nice engulfing candles, right? How would you have got into this in the morning? So, okay, so my first entry on NAS 100 in the morning would have been right over here. The break of the 1 hour support, right? So let's just say we got in over here, stops above the previous high, right? I think that's a pretty decent stop. That's basically 30 pips, right? And let's just say we missed this, okay? We go into another time frame, the 45-minute, where we went back, retested, right, the support, and closed below. So there you go. There's my next trade, and that's how I would have got into it. And if you didn't get into that also, you have the 1 hour candle with such a nice clean engulfing candle over the previous ranges. So that's what I would say. And same thing over here. Look over here. Massive engulfing. You get into that, you're going down solidly 100 pips easy. You get into this, let's say this engulfing, right? Another 100 pips done. So that's what I'm noticing happen again and again on NAS 100. I've been backtesting it again and again. See this engulfing candle continues to push. So that's what I'm noticing on NAS 100 again and again. That's what we need to focus on, you know, what the charts show us. So what you can do is take some time off, alright? Take some time off. Go back in time to NAS 100, okay? Look, alright, let's see, okay? So right over here there was demand, right over here. You can see. Let's see what price does when we come to this demand zone, right? Right over there. We came, we closed, we went up, alright? So you could have had one of your trades over here, and you would have moved almost 70 pips up in profit. So I'm pretty sure by now you would have been at break even, right? Then we had this big fake out, right? Let's look at it on the 45-minute time. Massive rejection from the downside, right? So let's look at it. Right over here, engulfing 30-minute candle. You could have taken your next attempt, right? You don't have to have stops below that low because that's way too big. So you go back onto the lower time frame. There you go. You keep your stops below the 15-minute candle, and you target the same highs you previously did before, right? Because this is your supply zone, right? So you target the same highs. Guess what? You went and hit those highs straight up. So that's what I would say is the way to look at NAS 100. NAS 100 moves so nicely. So I will spend more time back testing it for y'all. Let's start taking some NAS 100 trades on stream. What do y'all think? Oh, Vineet Durai, I'm so sorry, I didn't see your chart. Let me take a look at it. Weekends. Alright, one simulation session coming on the weekend. GBP AUD harmonic pattern. That's really cool, dude. I have no clue how to assume or read any of this stuff, but if it works for you, that's great. Crazy stuff. I'm not even sure how to read those harmonic patterns. GJ, once we break this level, could we continue moving? Do you think the volume is gonna come in on GJ? Or should we get a 4-hour closure and then expect volume? Are we gonna get harmonic patterns? Learn to earn? Don't do that. I know what you're gonna say next. Let's. If harmonic patterns work for someone, that's fantastic. I'm happy for you. It's just for me, there's no harmonic patterns that I possibly understand or whatever, you know. I've never paid attention to it, is what I can say. GJ looks tempting. Can we get a 30 or 50 minute closure above? If it works, eh? Let's just live and let live. Yeah, let's do we'll do a session, trust me, on NAS 100 soon. Yeah, we'll look into it. I think NAS 100 I'd like to take higher time frame trades because they look more clean, to be honest. But yeah, there is no 100% winning strategy. Yep, there is no 100% winning strategy. Unless you're a big institution with a lot of cash to just fake people out and keep taking their money. The 100% winning strategy is to become a politician. You never lose. Yeah. If you become a politician, you can never lose. Oh, just some fun. There's only 34 of us, and I'm pretty sure none of y'all are politicians. So, if any one of y'all are politicians, our sincere regard and respect for your hard work and perseverance for your place. Alright, come on GJ, let's move, man. Let's get a 30-minute closure above. Gold also is now moving, GJ is also now moving. I don't know what's poppin'. Come on guys, let's go. Pum pum. GJ is approaching but not approaching. Gold spotters is not going up, nothing. Elon Musk increases stake in Twitter. Yeah, even I recently saw that. What was that? Yesterday, right? He increased his stake in Twitter. And Twitter had a big bump up. Some 26% or something it flew. Twitter Inc. Incorporated. Wow. Yeah, that was a big pump up on Twitter. Look at that. Oh wait, that was yesterday. Oh my word. Look at that. No learn to earn. I backtest them as of now. 36% up in 2 days. 38%. What are we talking about? My gosh. Gap up. Yeah, that's a massive gap. I think Sumita had posted it up on his story if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, 15-minute time frame closed above here. I think if we break 620 now, we should continue up on GJ. Let's see what our positions could be. Dun, 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 dun. Can this 15 minutes retest this, and on the flip we can get in? If the 15 minute retests, then the flip can be interesting. If it doesn't flip, if it doesn't give us a good nice bottom wick, then it most likely will not continue up. And even if we do continue up, how much range do we have? I don't think we have much range. 19. Well, GJ has the potential. Or will it break this wick and then come back down? Come on, closure, give us a candle closure. What are we talking about? Give us a nice candle closure so we can have a nice 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 5 pips stops. 15 pips. Nah, 10 pips stops I think is ideal. Because we can use this previous, if we close above this, we can use this previous 15-minute low. So I would suspect like it's not going to stay right here, right? So it should close somewhere there. And we should have... Pardon?
No. Are you in?
Not yet. I was looking at placing a buy stop. But no, it didn't look as promising as I wanted it to. GJ. No, we need the 15-minute or 30-minute something to close up. 30-minute closes outside the range, I'll be in GJ. But we need a nice strong 30-minute closure on GJ. But that's a nice 4 pips stop on the 15-minute time frame. If we do continue like that, that would be really nice. But no, until we close above here, guys, not getting in, not getting out. No, not impulse entry. Just wait for candle closure. Because see, if we close above this range, there's no telling how much we can go, right? If we close above this range, we could push a good 25 pips also. Who knows? Right? So there's no telling where price can go. So that's why I would say just wait. There's no telling where price could go. GJ does look like it wants to push, but I don't think there's volume to push. Is there volume? No volume. Everything's just sitting. Mm-mm. Dun-dun-dun-dun. So the 5 minute again continues to close outside this range, which looks really good. Okay, but I don't know. Call me a skeptic, but I'm skeptical until it closes. Because candle closures are our confirmations, right? Change.
So true. That's what I'm waiting for. Actually.
Yeah. So you can take a decent one on the candle closure when it does close. But you know the vibe. If GJ leaves, she leaves. Interesting. All right. It's pushing.
Feels a little bit weaker.
Yeah, because it's just going without us as usual. And we say bye bye. Where's this? Yeah.
And we say bye bye.
You know.
Yep.
It may just continue pushing, honestly. And plus, if it gives us a good entry over here on the 30-minute time frame, that'll be awesome. Okay. Will the 1 hour also close? No. See, that's the problem. So, like, the time frames where it's clean on, will the 45-minute close? No. The time frames where it's clean on, we don't get an entry.
Yeah.
So we could see how this closes and then decide. Dun, 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 dun. So once we break this previous 4-hour high, we could possibly just run all the way up to 300, 380, 162, 380. Just a steep run. So the good thing is we have these nice rejections from the downside. The bad thing is it looks really good, not gonna lie. 30-minute, maybe we can take it on the candle flip and continuation. Unless it just fakes out and comes all the way back down into the range. So GJ does GJ things. Let's just let it be and see what happens. Careful guys, don't get caught. We're still waiting for a candle closure. If any of y'all want to talk to me, there's the Discord, Telegram, and my Instagram in the comments. Feel free to reach out whenever necessary. Alright, I think there's a new 5-minute on GJ. Let's see, can we start closing above this level, GJ? Dun, 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 dun. Euro JPY with the move. EJ with, oh, it's up 9 pips on EJ. Oh, 10 pips now. So EJ was the move. EJ, okay, let's just see what would our stops be. Whatever it was, that was the move. Big rejection from the downside, from the bottom. Alright guys, get ready, gold coming in. 30-minute closes in 3 minutes. Can we get a closure above this level, a wick down, and then a continuation on gold? That's what I'm waiting for on gold. Yeah, I think GJ's left us anyway. What about that? Okay, let's anticipate gold above 1925. Can gold close above 1925? Would that be a possibility? GJ coming up. Yeah, GJ looks like it's just gonna break and continue. So once we break the previous 4-hour high, GJ does look like a good continuation. Yeah. Alright, GJ is on its way. Gold, alright, gold, let's close above, come on. Alright, now all my attention is on gold since GJ is anyway pushing. All my attention's on gold. There's 42 of us live. Can we take a banger on gold? GJ is absolutely flying right now. One sec. Can we get gold? Gold didn't close above. Gold, could we... Should we impulse? No, we shouldn't impulse. Impulse is bad. Gold looks nice and strong, okay, but we're not able to close above this level. That's the bad thing. Look at these levels. We're not able to close above these. Hmm. 30-minute high, previous 30-minute high. We'll have to get stops to break even real fast. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Waiting? Let's wait. Come on, put it down in the chat. If we're waiting, put a WA in the chat. WA. Not just a W, but a WA if we're gonna wait. Alright, GJ pulling down. GJ looks cleaner. Yeah, GJ does look a little cleaner on the flip. Alright, GJ on the flip. GJ does look a lot cleaner on the flip, yeah. GJ should continue from here. Oh no. Yeah. That should be good. As soon as you break previous high, your stops to break even. So if you have your standard 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip gains, this could be a very interesting trade for you. For me, I'm personally not in GJ. But this could be a very good trade. Because look at this, plain breakout, right? 30-minute breakout. Everything is just breaking out on GJ, so that should be a good trade. I'm personally just not in it because I feel like the push was the breakout from here. This 15-minute candle was the breakout. 20 pip move on gold, on GJ. So yeah, if there's any of you who think this trade is valid, go for it. I personally not in. Right? Golds, we need you to close, my guy. Let's just wait. Yeah, Abdul. What's good, Abdul? So now since we're creating this nice bottom wick, okay, let's wait for this 45-minute to close in 25 minutes. If this 45-minute closes about 1925, we could take a good trade. Just wanna feel. Let's see if you have 10 pip stops. Let's see which side it's gonna go. Will GJ fake out? So once this 5 minutes starts breaking the previous 5-minute high, at that point we are continuing. For sure. Break the previous 5-minute high. What's happening? NAS 100 dropped further. I was looking at this entry. 30 pips. You get pips on NAS 100 so easily. All right, let's go chat. All right, how many of y'all have not taken a trade? Just put an N in chat. Those who haven't taken a trade, just in chat, no trade. All right, sounds good. Those who've taken a good trade in the London session, put a G in chat. Are there any live streams, any other London live streams running? Come on guys, can we run those likes up? There's 40 of y'all and there's only 22 likes. Can we run it up? Let's run it up. Okay, gold. Alright, let's just wait for this 15-minute to close, and if the next 15-minute closes like this, then we can consider waiting for the next candle to wick down and then break up like that. Alright, makes sense? Does that make sense on gold? Alright, and GJ, alright, let's go. Okay, we are trading GJ, alright. G, alright, yes, I'm about 150 pips from gold. I made about 150 pips from gold. Damn, Amrit Pal, fantastic, yo. Let's go, you made 150 pips from gold, let's go. Beautiful stuff, keep going, keep going. Duh, crazy stuff. Mohammed Azim, what's good Azim? Euro USD, thoughts on Euro USD, let me check it out in a bit. Saltito, no trade, that's good, waiting, patient. Shaheen took a trade on GJ, right? If I'm not mistaken. GJ coming down, lads, once we break. So 15 minutes closes in 5 minutes. If we close this way below this level right over here, you should be out of it. Because that's more like a fake out, right? Okay, wait, let's just see. Let's just do some zone extensions. Alright. GJ hasn't come into that zone as yet. So you can wait. Alright, once we break the previous highs, we should continue moving. So now if you're in GJ, Bring your stops up to 7.5 pips. You don't want to give your money back. No, not giving any money back to the markets. 7.5 pips. If it breaks this low, why would I stay in this trade, right? Risk management 101. If it breaks this low, why would I stay in this trade? Alright. Gold coming up. Man, gold is really tempting me. I'm not gonna lie. Gold is really tempting me. Let's wait for the gold closure. Let's just wait. Patience. It looks so good, but gold right now, it looks like gold may just move without us. How big would our stop be? That's around 23 pips. The 70 pip move. Okay, I'm just gonna be a little extra cautious, guys. Don't mind me. If it follows your plan, please go ahead by all means. I'm just being extra cautious. I just think that I'm gonna wait for gold to break that 25,500 level, because there are too many wicks in this area. So when the 45-minute candle closes above this area, I will be good to go. GJ coming down. If I was in this, I would be out of this. Yeah, that's going down. I wouldn't be in that. Alright, gold looks like it's coming in. Okay, if we 15-minute candle, 800. Gold looks really tempting. Ooh, GJ, look at that. Wick down and rejecting. I think that the GJ move is already done, Bami. That's what I personally think. I think that this was the GJ move, right? After the breakout of consolidation. That's why I felt like it was already done. That's why I'm personally not in it. And now I personally feel like no one should be in right now. Could we get in at the flip? No, I don't think anyone should get in. Like, let's look at gold instead. Come on. Gold looks like we're about to close above 19. Like, this looks really good. I'm not even gonna lie. Gold looks really good. Shall we take it off the break of this previous 4-hour high also? 25,800. We could get faked out though. Let's wait for the 15-minute bottom wick. If we make a nice 15-minute bottom wick, we'll get into it. Like, let's make a nice bottom wick. Come down. Okay. Yeah, let's wait for the nice 15-minute bottom wick. Where can we place our stops? Stops below this big 5-minute candle, right? So that would be like a, that's like 20 pip stops. It looks so good, it looks so tempting. Should we just wait for a 45-minute closure? Come on guys, tell me fast. Let's wait for a 45-minute candle closure, or shall we take it when the 15-minute rips up? Alright, where's my magic keys at? GBP JPY 15-minute time frame. I personally don't like it one bit, so I will not be participating in GJ. Yeah. Gold, there is a possibility right now. Let me just check this out. 800. Expecting volume to come in. Stops under the previous current candle, right? Under the current candle, you can keep stops above the current candle. Below the current candle is what I meant. Do we think gold might break out? The potential is definitely there. Shall we? Okay, I closed the buy stop I placed. I'm just gonna wait for a 45-minute closure. I want to see a 45-minute closure above this level. Yeah, let's wait for this 45-minute closure. Will also be a half an hour closure, right? So like we said, 1925 is a strong level, so if we wait for the candle closure above this level, we could get a nice move. So let's stick to what we've planned. Alright, let's stick to our plan. We're waiting for this half an hour candle to close above 1925 500. GJ, like I told y'all, I felt like the move was already done. It's now messing about. Can we still take GJ? GJ does look like it can continue up. On the flip, that'll be the this half an hour candle flip is what you can take on GJ, but I repeat, I feel like GJ's move is done unless we get crazy amounts of volume from somewhere to continue up. Alright, gold, don't leave us, but wait for us. I'm so tempted to putting a buy stop right now on gold. Come on, who else is looking at gold right now? Let me know in chat. Who else is looking at gold right now? Who else is looking at gold? 45-minute time frame. So this 15-minute candle has to close outside this range. But again, like, look at gold, okay? We've pushed up so strong. We need some form of pullback, right? Before continuation, don't y'all think? Once we close outside this range. Come on, gold, yeah. Come on, gold. What are we talking about? Come on, guys. 42 of y'all in the chat. Let's run those likes up. Come on. Whoever's there in the chat, can we run those likes up? There's a quite good number of us over here. I'm in gold by Chris Michael Richardson. I will be in gold by Chris. Tabogo, Godwin. Come on, gold. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's see. 1924 to 1925. 1925. $1925 500 to 1925. There you go. I want a 45-minute closure above this level. In your 0.01 lot, how to manage risk. Your 0.01 lot, that you can't manage risk on it, right? So you need to open at least a 0.02 lot so you can close half or whatever whenever you need to. Okay, we've broken above 1925. Now we need to close above it. 7 minutes left. 7 minutes left. Gold, relax, wait. I mean, I don't mind it breaking these highs and then breaking it again for us. That'll be a 30-minute closure or so. That'll be so good. 43 of us. Come on, guys. Let's run those likes up. And if you aren't subscribed already, please do smash the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our trading sessions together. 6 minutes left. Is GJ pulling up? No, GJ is not pulling up. GJ just went to grab more buyers. GJ went, got some buyers in, and it's coming down. Let's see. If GJ continues up, that'll be fantastic. Made another 90 pips profit from gold. Can you still enter buy, sir? On GJ, no, we're not entering another buy on GJ, but gold, we are waiting for a closure above this level, and then we will look to buy on the candle flip, expecting volume to come in 6 minutes to be exact. Gold, yeah, gold we're waiting, so we need to wait. None of us are in gold right now. We're targeting this massive range. So you can see once we close above this level, we'll have a nice closure to continue. Alright, let's hope that we get a nice closure above this level, and then we will place a buy stop above here. Okay, above the current candle then. Okay, now we can see the volume coming in. Just close above this level and we should be good. Volume's coming in, lads. Let's get ready to go. GJ 15-minute candle. If the 15-minute candle closes bullish, the next 15-minute candle can definitely just break and push up. For sure. Euro JPY actually looks very good. It was clean from the bottom. Buys from the bottom of the range. Up. Clean, clean, clean. Come on, gold, don't close back in the range. So by now we've broken all the previous 4-hour highs. That is yesterday's New York high. That's post New York high broken 4-hour. this morning's 4-hour, London session 4-hour. So we've broken pretty much all those highs. So if we close above this level, I feel like we should be good to continue up. Okay, gold, wait. Okay, so this is the gold 4-hour candle also gonna close, so we can wait for this 4-hour candle to break its own high to continue up. But what we need to do is wait for it to come to us. My TP on gold will be up here at 1931. Alright, so gold is closing above our level. That's very good. 30-minute time frame. Fantastic. I love the way it's closing. Alright, so let's wait for the 4-hour to come and retest 1925. Okay. Okay guys, watch this. Okay, we're gonna wait. Let the 4-hour come to 1925 and then we will take it once it starts flipping again. Okay. That's the previous 4-hour high. So yeah, we should get a good 20 to 40 pips easy. Okay, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes left. GJ, I am in. Alright, you are in GJ. Be careful. We are rejecting this area on GJ. If we get the volume to continue, then that should be pretty good. If you're still in GJ. Gold. I like the way gold is setting up, guys. Come on. I like the way gold is setting up. I'm gonna get my chart ready. We're gonna wait for the 4-hour to come down, make a bottom wick, and then we're gonna take it on the break. On the flip at least. Okay, so you see this? 4-hour candle, right? So 4-hour candle closes wherever, like let it close. We'll have our stops below this zone, so a good 15 pips at least. We'll wait for it. We'll watch it come down and then we will take it as it's going back up. Alright? Alright, let's do that. Let's do that. I think we might just get a gold banger over here. 1 minute left on gold. 1 minute left. Don't leave us. That's the hourly candle closure also. Breaking out. Big rejection from the downside. We have a lot of confluences on our side. The only way we lose this would probably be manipulation. Right? There's 46 of us over here. What's good, gang? Let's run those likes up so we get more people on the stream. 48 of us. Let's go. Your JPY. Okay. Alright. 48 seconds and gold closes. The 4-hour has to pull back. Okay. The 4-hour has to pull back. So we're going to wait. We will catch it on the 4-hour flip. Alright. Patience is the key, guys. Alright. So let's see. I'm gonna open my calculator. Where can I? Alright. 1924. 500 would be a 15 pip stop loss. Alright. Wait for the 4-hour to make its bottom wick. And then we take it on the candle flip with our stops below the previous candle. Alright. Alright, let's wait. How many seconds left? Did it close? Okay, it closed. Let's wait for the 4-hour to pull back. Remember, we need a bottom wick. And when we start flipping or breaking the 4-hour high again, then we can consider it. No, we need a deeper wick. We need a deeper wick. Careful, guys. If it continues on without me, I'm fine with that, no problem. I will not be getting into it. Even if it continues without me, I'm completely fine with it, but I need it to pull back and give me that bottom wick. And we can take it on the break of the high again. Alright, is it continuing? It looks like it's continuing, but no, I want the 4 hour to pull back. I don't want to get caught out of this. Pushed up pretty decently. Is anyone in on gold? Come on, gold, let's get a bottom wick. Navi is in on gold, fantastic. I just don't see a good enough bottom wick on gold. Waiting, yep. Same, waiting for the gold. Yeah, I wanted to re-break the 4 hour high. So now let's wait for gold to come back down and then have our buys at 560. 126, 560. Let it come down. And as it's breaking the high, previous 4 hour high again, right? That should be a pretty decent entry. I'm gonna set that up. Previous 4 hour high, yeah. Come on, let's get this move. That would have been 16 pips up on gold already. Let's just wait. It should happen now, since we broke above anyway. Let's make that bottom wick. Let's retest whatever, 25,500 or 25 flat. That's not a problem to me. Okay, GJ is just stagnant right now. We haven't moved in a few minutes on GJ. Gold. What's happening? Yeah, let's take it on the 4 hour time frame. Oops. Yep, let's make that bottom wick. Come on. No, let's make the bottom wick. Nice bottom wick. Alright, there you go. Gold coming down. Come on. Yeah, let's go down. Let's retest 925,500 at least. Okay, we're seeing volume there on gold. I know the buyers are waiting to get in. For me, gold is not following the trade criteria, so I am not in this. If you're in this, well and good. That gold is pushing really well. I hope you get the 40 pip target that we spoke about. All right. 46 of us in the house. What are we talking about? Let's run those likes up. Come on. Let's hit 35 at least. If you haven't liked the stream, drop a like on the stream. Come on. 49 current viewers. Let's go.
What's good, my boy?
Track Trader, what's good? Where you at, lad?
You know, they're in Jamaica. No, what a vibe.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm alright, man. Yeah, just have some coffee, so free the charts, you know.
Yeah.
Christy, Nate. Or evening.
Yeah. We were just waiting.
Selling up gold.
We were trying to buy gold up, man. Trust me. We were waiting for this 1925 closure above this level. The thing, yeah. So there was a 4-hour closure above the level. So we were waiting for a bottom wick.
Okay.
And we didn't get one. We just flew up.
You got straight impulse.
Yeah.
Maybe it's then setting up to come back down then if it's doing that.
Yep. A-Rod,
Only
welcome to the stream.
timing.
Yep. We're just waiting on it. So Trek, are you in any trades?
No, bro. Honestly, I just woke up kind of late still.
Alright.
It's 4:07 right now, so I woke up late this morning. I was really mainly focusing on the last bit of my back test. You know, like some
Wow.
things going into next week.
Fantastic.
Things been going crazy.
Yeah. Oh, gold is going to the 40 pip target that we marked out?
See it there.
Yep.
Yeah, gold be like that, you know. What I realize when it comes to real solid price action,
Yeah.
you can move very quickly in certain areas when you like
Very
when you
quick.
don't want to trade with volume.
Yep.
And magic keys better be keys in.
The magic key is really good. Just close half gold full, that's it. We finesse it.
Exactly.
Uh,
The tools are really coming conveniently.
yeah. Once we hit TP, we shall have a small celebration.
See there. How many pips is it though?
Right now, it's gonna hit 50 pips.
Okay.
Man, that would have been such a good trade on gold.
Right? No, I realized I just checked gold before it came. I realized not too late for me.
Man, I was really waiting for that, but yeah, it's fine. It's alright, guys. You know, sometimes we don't catch the trade always, and it's okay.
Yeah, you have to find a way to be okay with it.
Yeah,
And
'Cause
so that in the long run.
this same 50 pip move that happened right here happened right over here, happened right over here, happened right over here. If not today, tomorrow. You know?
Right? Right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So focus on what you need to focus on. Don't get disheartened that you missed this gold trade out. Say from next time I will refine my entry and I will take the necessary entry required. So like over here, I even spoke to you all about taking that 0.800 entry, right? 9 to 125.800. Impulse entry, of course, with our stops below this 15-minute candle. And that would have been a solid trade for us. We would have been up, what, 40 pips at least. And so, no problem. Next time, we take the trade. This time, we learn from this. So, we learn that price action around this time, when it enters a clean range, can easily push through it. Right? So, don't be disheartened. Just take it easy. It's another day. Tomorrow is another day. Day after is another day. You're bound to win if you keep trying. Come on guys, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Man, we're running 41 people in the house today, Trek, and 44 including y'all on Discord.
Oh, magic.
We hit TP on the stream, but yeah.
Yeah. Congrats, bro. That's good.
Yep, we're slowly growing the community. Thank you.
I'm sure the people will go on.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, so that's me calling it a session because I don't see any other opportunities for me. Like I said, I didn't take the GJ buy over here simply because I believe that the move was already over when we broke out of this range. So hence I didn't take those GJ buys. And EJ buys, we missed it as we were concentrating on GJ, that's not a problem. Gold buys, we missed it because we were waiting for the candle closure, and candle did close, okay? It's just that we didn't have the faith to take it without the fora creating a, you know, unnecessary bottom wick on it. That's no problem. Sometimes we're all skeptics in our own way. So don't worry about it. Tomorrow we'll be back. Wait for New York session. Wait for a nice clean candle closure somewhere. Don't over risk, don't overtrade, you know. Whatever happens, those trades are coming your way if you're staying persistent and watching it happen, you know. For those who did cash the trade, all I can say is so GG's to all of y'all who got that trade. Have a banger day, and we shall be back here tomorrow at the London session. If you haven't liked the stream already, drop a like. If you want to subscribe, drop a sub. Oh, and on gold we hit TP. Let's go. Just before we can close the stream, we hit TP. What's poppin', gang? Check trader, we hit the TP again.
Another one.
Yeah, let's go. Damn goal, let's go. What are we talking about? Alright, we're done. I'm gonna call it a session, and you guys take care, be safe, don't overrisk, don't overtrade. I made 455 pips on gold for today. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful stuff, Amrit. Mad thing. Mr. Trooper is in GJ. Yeah, be careful of GJ. Gold with a mad thing. 70 pips from where we called it out. What are we talking about, chat? Let's go. W in chat for that gold call out, honestly. W in chat for that gold call out. Let's close the stream on a high note. Good trade, Chris Michael Richardson. Yo, you guys were the rock stars. You all rocked it. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Drop like an earthquake.